Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to review 5 gadgets under rupees 500. So guys, let's begin. So guys, the first product on our list is ELV desktop phone tablet stand. It is made up of aluminum and supports all mobile sizes and tablet up to 10.1 inch. The build quality is really great और पीछे आप देख सकते हैं branding ELV Smart Stand with a stamp made in India. So friends, this is a lightweight mobile stand which is made up of aluminum और यहाँ पे आपको सिल्वर के अलावा और भी कलर वेरिएंट देखने को मिल जाएंगे। यहाँ पे एक रबराइज्ड स्ट्रैप और रबर बेस दिया हुआ है for your phone to get a good grip. Moreover, at the bottom you can see rubber pads to hold the surface firmly. The design is simple, packed with elegance and style. This product is a must-have accessories for your office desk and for those who are working from home. You can easily keep this on your desk, it won't take much space. It is so convenient to take your office calls and watch your favorite video in free time. The cost of this stand is Rs 149 and it is really a value for money product. So if you are looking to buy this stand, you can check out the link given in the description box. The next product on our list is Aero Travel Electronic Accessories Bag. This product is great to keep your all electronic items at a single place in an organized way. Company claims this is made up of heavy-duty 300D durable and waterproof nylon. The surface is quite smooth and gives a premium look. और इसका जो zipper है मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मूथ और प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का लगा. The upper lid have 5 slip resistant elastic loops and 5 mesh pouches. The lower part have plenty space with 3 adjustable padded dividers. These dividers are removable and you can utilize complete space all in one. As you can see, this product keeps everything organized. Your cables, gadgets, headphones can come in this portable bag. After placing all my cables and gadgets into this bag, I can easily close it without any hassle. And there is still enough space left to keep more items. As you can see, there is a handle at the upper part to hold this bag conveniently. This is a perfect travel companion for your electronic accessories when going on holiday, business trip, travel or office work. I ordered it from Amazon at a price of Rs 399. So if you are looking to buy this product, you can check the link given in the description box. The next product on our list is a Style Eva Mini SLR camera shade fan that won't click but definitely help you cool down. This is a miniature of a camera. You can gift anyone who loves photography or use this item as a home decor. Or if you are a video creator, you can use this in the background of your videos. The looks and design are really impressive and talking about the build quality तो मुझे ये काफ़ी बढ़िया लगी. So guys, इसको आप यहाँ से खोल सकते हैं और इसके नीचे दिया हुआ है एक छोटा सा फैन that have blades made up of soft plastic. तो यहाँ पे आपको इसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए 2 AAA बैटरी लगानी होगी, तो मैं इसको लगा देता हूँ. And after pressing a button, you can enjoy cooling wind. The blades are made up of soft plastics, so if you touch it, it won't hurt. This can be used as a decorative item, a cooling fan, and can be used to entertain your kids. The cost of this product is Rs 269. So if you are looking to buy it, you can check the link given in the description box. So friends, if you are enjoying this video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. The next product on our list is AdMax extension cord, which comes with 6 outlet and 2 USB port. This product is great for those who are working from home as it has multiple charging points. There are 4 3-pins plug point, 2 USB ports in the middle and 2 extra 2-pins plug point. Here you can see on and off button and an LED light indicator. The length of the wire is 1.8 meter और इसकी जो quality है वो मुझे काफ़ी बढ़िया लगी. Here you can see you can charge multiple devices at the same time and their plugs won't interfere with each other. The build and finish quality are really good. It is made up of ABS material which is highly durable, rock solid and have fireproof properties. There are 3 color variants available: red, grey and blue. The cost of this product is slightly greater than Rs 500, so if you are looking to buy this product, you can check the link given in the description box. The next product on our list is Revi LED wireless Bluetooth speaker lamp. It has a 3 watt wireless Bluetooth speaker and 7 colors with 3 brightness shades. So friends, नीचे आप देख सकते हैं कंट्रोल्स दिए हुए हैं, ऑन एंड ऑफ स्विच, फिर चार्ज करने के लिए DC 5 वोल्ट, ऑक्स केबल लगाने के लिए, माइक्रो SD और USB लगाने के लिए यहाँ पे पोर्ट दिए हुए हैं. On the other side you can see music controls. Here is 3 watt Bluetooth speaker और इसकी जो साउंड क्वालिटी है वो काफ़ी बढ़िया है. तो चलिए इसे ऑन कर लेते हैं. It has a touch sensor at the top so you can change the color by just tapping. And by long pressing it will change color automatically. So guys, let's see how it looks in the dark. The color saturation is really great, you will definitely going to love it. The cost of this lamp is Rs 420 and if you're looking to buy this product, you can check the link given in the description box. So if you have enjoyed this video then please hit the like button, share and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.